Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video I am going to discuss about how to fix Windows Update not installing error KB5016616. So now let's get started with the first solution. What you need to do, you need to go to the search toolbar and type services. Services will appear here, click on it. Then scroll down to Windows Update. Right click on it and click on stop, and now click on Windows key plus R and then type the following code. I will put it in the video description for you to copy and paste it. Then click on OK. Go to logs and delete all the content of this folder. Select them all, right click and click on delete. Now close this window, go back to Windows Update, right click on it and click on Start. So now once this is completed, check if this error has been resolved. This is the first solution. In case that didn't work for you, let's now apply the second solution. Go to the Start menu, click on it, then click on Settings, click on Windows Update, click on Troubleshoot, click on Additional Troubleshooters, click on Windows Update, click on Run the Troubleshooter. Once this is completed, close the window and check if this error has been resolved. In case Windows Update Troubleshoot have find out any error, so continue with the steps until it is resolved. This is the second solution. If that as well didn't work for you, now we will try solution number 3. For solution number 3, I will close all these windows. There is a list of commands which I will be putting them in the video description. Copy and paste them on a notepad and then click on File, then click on Save As, then type the name, file name, anything, let's say commands.bat. It should be .bat. Write down the file name and put .bat. Save as type, put it all files and then save it on the desktop. This is the file here, commands. It is saved as bat file. Click on it and then all these commands will run one after the other. Once this is done, restart your PC and check if this error has been resolved. If that as well didn't work for you, let's go now and apply solution number 4. Go to the search toolbar, type CMD, click on Run as Administrator. Here type sfc /scannow and enter. This will take some time to be completed. Once this is done, restart your PC and check if this error has been resolved. This is solution number 4. If that as well didn't work for you, let's now apply solution number 5. Press Windows key and R together and type regedit. Click on OK and then here expand H key local machine, expand it, and then go to software, expand software, and then go to policies, expand it, then expand Microsoft, then expand Windows. Then here under Windows, check if you see Windows Update. I don't have the file, but if you see Windows Update, click on it, and on the right hand side here you will see wuauserv and another file WI status server. Select both of them and right click on them and delete them. Once this is done, restart your PC and check if this error has been resolved. If that as well didn't work for you, the last solution which you can apply, you need to download Reset Windows Update tool. For that, go to the search engine, let's say Google, and type download Reset Windows Update tool, and then click on download Reset Windows Update tool. For 64 bits window, click on download this download, and for 32 bits click on the following download. So check your system. If it is 64, click on the first download, 32 click on the second. So my system is 34 bits, so I'm gonna click on download here. So this is the file here, download completed. Click on it, click on open, click on next, click on I agree to the terms of this license agreement. Click next, click next, click next, Installation successful. Click on finish. Now go to your desktop, and this is the file. Right click on it. Click on run as administrator. Enter the number corresponding to the language. So choose the language that you want. You need to enter the number. I'm gonna put 0, which is English. Click on enter. And here you may go through the terms and condition and then type Y and enter. And then type 0 and enter. Once this is done, restart your PC and this error should be resolved. With that, I have come to the end of this video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel to watch upcoming videos. Take care. Goodbye.